Welcome to today's session. So today we have a function of interest from Excel is a future value schedule known as FVSchedule. So what this function does, it helps us to find the future value of our investment at a particular point. So I'll start with the traditional way of calculating the future value. So we are given the initial investment in the project of $100,000. Then we have interest rates, monthly interest rates of as given in the schedule of January having a negative return of 1.5%. So to find the investment value at the end of January, we are going to multiply our initial investment by the growth rate or the interest rate. Then we get a 98,000. So 98,500 because our investment reduces from 100,000 to 98,500 because of the negative return. So we shall do the same to apply to calculate for the other month. We select the right, then use the control R, which is fill right. So now what we notice is there is a breakdown here because Excel is using the relative references. So what I need to do is to change the reference point here and use this one, then like that, or then you can easily apply this side. Then you notice that because in the first quarter there are negative returns, our investment value is reducing, then up to April where it remains the same, then May we start getting positive returns. And at the end of the month, we end up with, at the end of December, we end up with $131,140. So this is the traditional finding the future value. So now this is where the future value schedule function comes in. So the function has two arguments, which is the principal, which is this amount that we're trying to invest. Then we also have the schedule of interest rates that we have. So these are the schedule, which is from January to December, where we're ending with 3.75%. Then whenever we have leave it empty, this function will assume that the interest rate is 0. So to find the future value, we use equals then FVSchedule. This one will pop up. Then the principal is this amount, which is the investment that we are making. Then we select the series of interest rates that we want to use. So it's that. Then once we do that, then this is done. We can just press enter. So what we discover is the same value that we have in December by using the traditional calculating future value is the same that we are ending up with the FVSchedule function. So that's how the FV function, future value schedule function works basically. So for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and also like this video. It's a small like for you, makes a big difference for us. Thank you.